Welcome to Car Compass, your ultimate guide to all things on wheels. From car reviews and tips to the latest auto trends. Hit that subscribe button and let Car Compass steer you in the right direction. Let's hit the road.
Technology into one impressive package. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is built to stand out. Its design is a bold step forward for the brand, showcasing smooth aerodynamic curves combined with a distinctive armored shell-inspired body. The front fascia features a seamless LED light bar stretching across the grille, paired with adaptive pixel headlights that adjust dynamically to lighting conditions and driving scenarios. The flush door handles, active aerodynamic components, and self-healing paint are all part of a design language that signals the future of luxury SUV. Powering the Armadillo is a dual electric motor setup capable of delivering 850 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This setup propels the SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. The advanced solid-state battery offers a remarkable range of up to 540 miles on a full charge and supports 350 kW ultra-fast charging, allowing for 80% recharge in just 18 minutes. The performance is further enhanced by the latest generation of Mercedes 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and an intelligent air suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. Inside the Armadillo, luxury and technology coexist effortlessly. The cabin features Mercedes-Benz Hyper screen that spans the dashboard with OLED displays for the driver, center, and passenger. All controls are touch, voice, or gesture-based, offering a seamless digital interface. The materials used in the cabin include sustainably sourced leather alternatives, polished wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting that adapts to driving modes and time of day. The rear seats are just as refined as the front, with reclining, ventilation, massage functions, and individual entertainment systems. Safety is at the forefront with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. A suite of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR provide 360-degree awareness, enabling functions like highway autopilot, intelligent lane changing, and smart parking. Biometric security features such as facial recognition and fingerprint start are standard, ensuring the vehicle remains personalized and secure at all times. Over-the-air updates keep the Armadillo's software current, while a connected app allows remote access and diagnostics. Mercedes also adds practical innovations like a modular cargo area, a power tailgate with gesture control, and vehicle-to-grid energy sharing, turning the Armadillo into a mobile power hub when needed. Whether it is daily commuting, cross-country travel, or off-road adventure, the 2026 Armadillo is engineered to handle it all with unmatched sophistication.
Thanks for riding with Car Compass. If you enjoyed the journey, give us a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more car content every week. Until next time, stay safe, drive smart, and keep your compass pointed to adventure.